I'm Sudha Madhuri. Now we are all going to solve a crossword puzzle from the clues given to us. The process of separating grain from chaff with the help of wind is known as winnowing. The grain is mixed with chaff and hay, which is the outer inedible covering of the grain, and it has to be separated or cleaned before it can be used. When the grain is made to fall from a great height in blowing wind, the grain being heavier falls straight to the ground, whereas the chaff and hay, being much lighter, is carried away to some distance by the wind. The process of converting sugar into alcohol and CO2 by the action of yeast is known as fermentation. Yeast is capable of converting sugar into alcohol and CO2. The sugar which is converted into alcohol comes from various substances like cane juice, fruit juice, or from substances like barley, maize, rice, etc. These substances contain sugar which gets converted into alcohol. The property which allows metals to be hammered in thin fine sheets or foil is known as malleability. Malleability is an important characteristic of metals. Most of the metals are malleable. Gold and silver are the best malleable examples for metals, and they can be hammered into thin fine sheets or foils. Rayon is obtained from a raw material called cellulose by chemical treatment. Rayon is chemically identical to cotton, but it shines like silk. Rayon fiber is much cheaper than silk, and it can also be woven like silk fibers. Rayon can also be dyed in various colors. Liquefied petroleum gas mainly consists of butane. This gas is obtained from petroleum and it is liquefied by compression while filling it into the gas cylinders. When we turn on the knob of the stove, pressure is released, due to which the highly volatile LPG gets converted into gas. This gas then goes to the burner of the LPG stove. The process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to produce heat and light is known as combustion. For example, wood also burns through combustion. Coal also has a lot of carbon, so when it burns, it produces CO2, heat and light in the air. Oxygen is necessary for both combustion and burning to take place. Actually, oxygen is the supporter of combustion.